Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Chika Aditya. I study in SMP Broadway Banjar. I would like to recite a poem. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in Yellowwood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down, one as far as I could, to where it buried underground, then took the other, as just as far, and having perhaps the better of one, because it was grassy and wanted you. Though, as for that the passing there, had warned really about the sand, and what that morning actually lay, in its no step had trodden wreck. Oh, I can't. The force for another day, yet knowing how way leads on way, I doubt if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this sweet aside, somewhere eggs and eggs hatch. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye, see you.